A warm and pleasant welcome to all our viewers at AdvoTalks. I'm Ketan Vakil, and in this series, I shall discuss about public interest litigation. Public interest litigation, or PIL, is an essential aspect of India's legal system. It is a powerful tool that allows any citizens to seek justice on behalf of larger group of people or the community as a whole. However, PIL is not well understood by many people. What is it? How does it work? Its benefits and drawbacks. We will also discuss the role of judiciary in PIL and look at some landmark cases that have shaped the course of PIL in India. The concept of public interest litigation was first introduced in the landmark case of Mumbai Kamgar Sabha versus Abdul Thai, where Supreme Court of India held that any individual or organization could approach the court on behalf of those who are unable to do so by themselves. The court ruled that the traditional rule of locus standi, that is, the right to bring a legal action, was too restrictive, and that the doors to the justice should be open to all, especially in the matters of public interest. Public interest litigation covers wide range of issues that affects the public interest and can be filed in relation to matter that concerns public interest, public welfare, or public good. This includes social justice, human rights, environment protection, health, consumer protection, and many other areas. The main objective of PIL is to ensure that the rights of the people are protected and that the court can intervene when the government or any other institute fails to act in the public interest. Therefore, PIL can be filed against government, public officials, or any private entities that are responsible for the actions that negatively impacts the public. Public interest litigation, commonly known as PIL, is a legal action initiated in court of law for the protection of public interest or general welfare. It is a type of litigation where any member of public can approach the court to address an issue that affects society at large. To answer few queries, who can file a PIL? Any person, group, organization, or association acting in interest of public can file a PIL. In certain cases, even lawyers and social activists can approach court on behalf of individuals who are unable to do so by themselves. What kind of issues or concerns does PIL cover? PIL typically concerns matter related to human rights violation, environmental degradation, consumer protection, corruption, and other issues that affect society at large. How does one file a PIL? A petition seeking relief under public interest litigation must be filed before the High Court or Supreme Court with relevant facts and evidence supporting your case. The petitioner should also submit affidavit from the witnesses if necessary. What are some famous examples of successful PILs in India? Some notable examples are banning of child labor in hazardous factories observed in MC Mehta versus State of Tamil Nadu, providing free legal aid to indigent accused person as observed in Husainara Khatun case, and enforcing fundamental right to education for children between 6 and 14 years old in Unnin Krishnan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. Are there any limitation on filing PIL? Yes, there are certain limitations based on locus standi, which means right or ability to bring an action. If someone files without authority, then it will not be accepted by Indian judicial system. Also, frivolous petition may lead to penalties such as fines being imposed upon those involved in bringing about false claims through such proceedings. In conclusion, public interest litigation or PIL has been a game changer for Indian society, allowing citizens to raise their voices and challenge the government and other powerful entities when they feel that their rights have been violated. PIL has been used to address various issues such as environmental pollution, corruption, and human rights violation. This form of litigation has provided access to justice for marginalized and vulnerable sections of society who may not have the resources or means to fight their rights in traditional court of law. PIL has also been instrumental in shaping policies and legislation for the benefit of the larger public interest. However, PIL has also been subject to criticism for being misused for personal or political gains, leading to frivolous litigation and wasting courts' time and resources. The judiciary has been taking steps to curb such misuse, such as imposing costs or dismissing PILs when they are deemed to be frivolous. The future of PIL in India looks bright as it continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs of the society. The judiciary, the civil society organization, and citizens need to work together to ensure that PIL remains a powerful tool of justice and change. With continued vigilance and responsible use, PIL can continue to be a force for good in Indian society. With this, I conclude my discussion. I hope you enjoyed this session with Advo Talks. Thank you and have a nice day.